In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Google Sheet to another sheet using the new Google Sheets update in 2026. If you want to move or duplicate just one tab from one spreadsheet into another existing spreadsheet, this is a quick and very useful feature to know. It's especially helpful when you're organizing data, sharing only part of a workbook, or combining tabs from different files into one place without having to manually copy and paste everything. To get started, open your Google Sheets file and look at the bottom of the screen where your sheet tabs are displayed. These are the individual tabs inside your spreadsheet. Find the specific tab that you want to copy into another spreadsheet. Once you've found it, right-click directly on the sheet tab name. This will open a menu with several options related to that tab. In that menu, choose Copy To. When the next set of options appears, select Existing Spreadsheet. At this point, Google Sheets will let you choose the spreadsheet where you want this tab to be copied. This is the key part of the process because you're not copying the entire file, just that one tab. That makes it much cleaner and more efficient if you only need a single worksheet in another document. After selecting the existing spreadsheet, confirm your choice so Google Sheets can complete the copy. Once it's done, the tab will appear in the destination spreadsheet as a copied sheet. Depending on your setup, the copied tab may keep the same name or appear with a variation if a tab with that name already exists in the target file. A useful tip here is to double check the destination spreadsheet after the copy is complete, just to make sure the tab transferred correctly and all the data looks the way you expect. In most cases, formatting, formulas, and structure come across with the sheet, which saves a lot of time compared to rebuilding it manually. So again, the process is simple. Right-click the Sheet tab at the bottom, choose Copy To, and then select Existing Spreadsheet. This is the fastest way to copy a single Google Sheets tab into another spreadsheet using the updated interface. And that's it. You now know how to copy one Google Sheet tab to another existing spreadsheet in Google Sheets.